Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making one of my all-time favorite dessert, that is carrot kheer. It's creamy, comforting and honestly very hard to stop at just one bowl. It's simple to make and needs just few ingredients. So let's quickly get into the video. Here I'm using 4 carrots. First peel them nicely. Cut off the edges. Now grate all the carrots and keep them ready. The carrots are nicely grated now. Just keep them aside. Now heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. To this add 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of sliced almonds. Fry the cashews and almonds on low heat until golden brown. To this add 2 tablespoons of raisins. Continue frying until the raisins plump up. Once it's done, remove them and keep aside for later use. In the same pan, add grated carrots. Saute this for 5 minutes on medium flame, just until the raw smell goes away. So the carrots are nicely roasted and the raw smell is completely gone. They are smelling really good. To this add 2 liters of full fat milk. Now let the milk boil on medium heat, stirring it occasionally so it doesn't stick at the bottom. Here I have soaked 1/3 cup of basmati rice in water for about 30 minutes. Now drain the water. Now lightly crush the rice using your fingers. Once the milk starts boiling, reduce the heat and add crushed rice. Cook on low to medium heat, stirring occasionally until the rice is fully cooked and the kheer becomes thick and creamy. Give it a gentle stir occasionally. This helps everything cook evenly. Now you can see the texture of the kheer. It's become nice and thick. The rice is cooked perfectly. Now I'm adding 1 cup of condensed milk. If you prefer, you can replace it with 1 cup of sugar. Gently mix it and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. The kheer is almost done. To finish, add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder along with the roasted nuts and raisins. Give it a mix and turn off the flame. And finally, our rich, creamy carrot kheer is ready. It will thicken more as it cools. You can serve this carrot kheer hot or chilled. Both ways it tastes really good. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Try it out at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. See you in the next video with another yummy recipe. Until then, happy cooking!